Shit bouncing, cut. This shit bouncing, cut. I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong with it, cut. I got a plan, cut. Oh shit, cut. Flying, cut. Flying. Please tell me you guys clipped that. Oh shit, cut. Yeah, okay. It's face fucking me, cut. Face fuck.
I'm a little scared. Let me go back up.
Ah, shit, cut. Oh, you do the best, cut.
Oh, no,
Yeah, we're on this map, son.
What the f?
What was that?
Eclipse. We're eclipsed, guys. Why did we come here on eclipse?
No, Andrew's out there, son!
Yeah, fuck.
I'm gonna whip this hoe.
Roger, get in.
I'm dropping my fanny pack. I'm dropping my fanny pack. I'm sorry, I'm not. Oh, that car is so fast.
Inject, cut.
Hop in.
Shit, cuz, I'm coming with you, kid. Don't worry.
Shit, cut. Wait, I'm in the back. I'm on in the back.
Shit, cuz, I feel like you're safer in the back, Shlime.
No,
I feel like you're
fuck
safer
no,
in the back.
fuck no, cut. You got the inject button. Don't worry about it. Slime, forgive me, Slime. Forgive me, Slime.
You not close the door, cuz?
I'm trying to, bitch. Oh. Let's go, cut. Bottle light, Kizzy. Nice and smooth.
Andrew, cuz, we're gonna die, cuz.
Wait, cut. Push me out, cut. Wait, cut. I can't see shit, cut. Go, cut.
Shlime, I'm going in the back, cuz.
You don't want to go back here, cut. Seatbelt, I don't, cut. Follow the lights, cut.
I promise to Andrew, cuz, but you're not breaking the promise, cuz.
We here, cut. Park this whole cut. Shit, cut. You're bad behind me, Kizzy. Zachary! Eject him, Zachary! Eject him, cut! Fuck, what are you trying to do, cut? Zachary, eject this motherfucker, cut! Ah, shit, cut. Where the fuck
We
are
here,
son?
huh?
Y'all not there, cuz?
Come
Oh!
Grab the loot,
Andrew's dead, Slime. Andrew's dead,
I don't give a
cuz.
fuck, cut.
We're gonna have to walk, cuz.
Fuck no, cut. I know how to drive, cut. Bring the loot in your back, cut. Hold it up, son.
Shit, cuz, I'm in the back, Slizzy. Don't kill me, cuz.
Shit, cut. My stick is in the way, cut. Hold up, cut.
Draw the car, cuz.
Wait, cut.
Put it in park, cuz.
Oh, I kinda got it, cut.
Are we gonna have to walk it back, cuz?
Zachary.
What,
Do
cuz?
you trust me, Zachary?
I trust you, Slime.
Zachary, you trust me, Zachary?
I trust you, Slime.
Trust me, right, Zachary?
I think we're gonna have to walk it, cuz.
Zachary, you trust me, Zachary, right?
I trust you, cuz.
Okay, next time, once we get to the company building, cut, we gotta kill Andrew, cut. This is his fault, cut.
I hate to break it to you, this car was not promised anymore, cuz.
This shit bouncing, cut. This shit bouncing,
Cuz!
cut.
You're controlling! You gotta trust me, cuz!
Andrew, everything will be good, man, cut. I think we're fine, cut.
Oh!
I think we're fine, cut. Wait, cut. I know what's wrong. I know what's wrong with it, cut.
We're walking this shit, cuz!
No, cut. I got a plan, cut.
Did we just... Did the car explode?
Yes.
Oh, we should have walked the cut.
Vote to leave, cut. Vote to leave, cut.
Celestial body, 20 adamants. Oh,
shit, bro. What the fuck?
Gotta go.
There's a line. Okay, no trolling, no trolling, no trolling, no trolling. No trolling. I hate you. Oh shit, come flying, flying.
Ah! Fuck, sorry, B.
Oh shit! Please tell me you guys clipped that. Oh shit! Yeah, okay. Here I go again, cuh. Oh shit! I got 2 friends on me, cuh.
You got 3 on you, cut.
Just off me, cuh. It's face fucking me, cuh. It's face fucking.
Oh.
Oh, I was fucking flying, cuh. Let's get inside, cuh. Fuck, cuh. Let's get inside, cuh.
Shit, cuz. Eclipse, cuz.
Eclipse, cuh. I don't fuck with that, cuh. I don't fuck with that, cuh. I don't fuck with no monsters, cuh.
We can put some on.
It was a worm, King. We gotta get the help. We gotta get inside, King. We gotta get inside.
Oh, fine. Tom,
Piss
we
off.
travel a pack.
Piss off. Piss off.
Run, Roger.
Piss off.
Yeah, what's
Piss
up,
off.
bro?
Piss off.
Yeah, fuck off,
Piss
cuh.
off.
Fuck off, cuh. You
Piss off.
pussy. Yeah,
This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a
fuck.
dog. This is a dog.
Oh, piss off, cuh.
Piss off. Piss
cuh.
off. You think we're scared of you? No, we're not. Nuh-uh. Okay, piss off. You're getting a little too close for comfort. A little too close.
We're so cooked, Watch. We're gonna answer this, but... Oh, we're so cooked. This
Ah,
is
shit.
fun.
I love this one, cuh. Andrew, this is what you're gonna do. You gotta fucking press a button and send them down there. You gotta send them down there.
Alright. Salute, soldiers. I'm a little scared. Let me go back up.
Believe it or not, that's the second time that's happened.
Oh, there's a snare for me. Careful.
Oh shit! Ah, shit, cuh. Andrew, come! Andrew! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! I didn't look. You're alive or dead, cuh. The twins are dead, cuh. Oh, shit. Should we go back for the other body? What do you think, man? Let's go for an adventure, cuh. Show me that. The other body is right there. Uh-oh. What are you doing?